Hi everyone, and welcome! Today, we are going to look at a very useful feature in Google Docs, how to split a table. You might need to do this for several reasons. Perhaps your table is getting too long and you want to continue it on the next page. Or maybe you need to add a paragraph of text or an important image right in the middle of your data. Whatever your goal is, splitting a table is actually quite simple once you know the steps. I'm going to walk you through the main, official method, and then show you a couple of other handy techniques you can use. The first and most direct way is using the built-in split table command. This is the fastest option. First, open your document and find the table you want to split. Then, you need to decide where the split will happen. Click your mouse inside any cell of the row that you want to be the first row of your new, second table. So, if you want your table to break after row 3, you would click somewhere in row 4. With your cursor blinking in that row, move your mouse up to the main menu bar at the top of the screen and click on Table. A drop-down menu will appear with various table options. Near the bottom of this menu, you will see an option that says Split Table. Simply click on it. Instantly, Google Docs will create a break right above the row you selected. You will now have two distinct, separate tables. You can now easily insert text or other elements in the space created between them. Another great method, especially if you want to move a part of your table to a completely different location in the document, is the simple cut and paste technique. Start by highlighting all the rows that you want to form the new table. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over them. Once they are fully selected, you'll cut them. Either right-click on the selection and choose Cut, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+X for Windows or Command+X for a Mac. The rows will vanish from the original table. Now, scroll to the new spot in your document where you want this piece of the table to go. Click your cursor to set the location, and then paste the rows by right-clicking and selecting Paste or using the shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V. A new table, containing just the rows you cut, will appear in that new location. This gives you complete control over where your data goes. These methods are perfect for creating truly separate tables. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes your work in Google Docs a little bit easier. If this video helped you out, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more straightforward guides and tech tips. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like to see covered, please leave a comment below. See you next time.